Welcome back. Now, we've done a reasonable amount of work on our excuse generator here. The only problem is it only ever generates the same one excuse. So that's not really very helpful, is it? So what we wanted to do is generate different excuses every time. So we're going to have a long list of different nouns that could have done something to the homework. So dog or fridge or dad or something like that, and a whole list of verbs or things that are done to the homework or the assignment. So let's do that now. Okay, so I'm going to go up to the top of the program here and I'm going to make a list of nouns, and I'm going to put S on the end so to show that it's actually a whole lot of them. And the way that we make a list of things in Python is we use these square brackets, and inside the square brackets I'm going to put some different nouns. So I will put dog in there, but I'll also put bear, and I'll also put microwave, and maybe we'll think a little bit more interesting things. So phone, you can blame your phone, car, friend, fridge, and then we can do the same thing. Hold on. What have I got over here? Pet chicken. That's a good one. Now the noun can be 2 words, like pet chicken or Death Star or something like that. Have some fun with it. Make some really, really ridiculous words, and just make sure that you've got that square bracket closing it off. Okay, and then I'm going to make another list which is verbs. And I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, so I just paused it for a moment because I didn't want to bore you with that. But as you can see, I have now a lot of different verbs. So again, the verbs don't feel like it has to be one word. Ate, fell on, blended up, set fire to, recycled. And try and think of some things that are really different and hilarious. It probably not like rude or something like that. It's probably more funny if it's actually just really unusual or crazy. Now, instead of setting it to dog and setting the verb to ate, we are going to set the noun to a random choice from this nouns list and the verb to a random choice from this verbs list. And before we do that, we need to, Python can't actually do random things by default, so we need to import the random module. So just type import random. That needs to go at the top of the program before the other code. And then the noun here, the way that we get a random choice of the nouns is we say random, that's the name of the module, dot, so we're getting something out of the module, and there's a function called choice. So this choice function is just like the print function in that it'll do something for us. It'll make a choice, a random choice, and I'm just going to put the list nouns that I want the choice made from. So this function takes a list nouns and gives you back or returns one element of the list, and we're going to save that into a variable called noun. And we'll do the same thing, random.choice, for the verbs. Again, so we're taking the verbs list, saving a random choice into verb. And now when I hit run, hopefully it says here, my fridge fell on my assignment, my dog set fire to my assignment, my bear ate my assignment, my car recycled my assignment. So go and have a play, make your own one, make it really, really interesting, funny, hilarious, and good luck.